Today we're diving into the 500-foot white, solid-core Plenum RG-6 triple shield CMP PVC bulk coaxial cable from Fat Satellite INTL. This cable is designed with commercial-grade requirements in mind, boasting an 18 AWG 75 ohm construction that's ideal for various applications. It's triple shield, featuring two 100% foil shields and a 77% braided shield, ensures excellent signal integrity and protection against interference. Moreover, it's Plenum rated, making it safe for use in air handling spaces of commercial buildings where fire safety standards are crucial. This cable supports a wide range of uses including HD over-the-air antennas, DirecTV dish network, satellite installations, ham radio, cable modem internet, HD digital cable TV, cellular boost antennas, and security camera systems. The PVC jacket is not only fire retardant, but also anti-static and non-toxic, ensuring safety and longevity in diverse environmental conditions. Whether you're a professional installer or a DIY enthusiast looking to upgrade your setup, this cable promises durability and performance. It meets stringent industry standards and is compatible with a variety of devices including televisions and modems. If you're in the market for a reliable coaxial cable that delivers on quality and safety, the Fat Satellite INTL 500-foot white, solid-core Plenum RG-6 triple shield CMP PVC bulk coaxial cable deserves serious consideration.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.